The Kaiser Stromlinie automobile, a pioneering creation by aircraft engineer Theodor Kaiser, holds a significant place in the history of automotive innovation. Born in 1906 in Klein Oschersleben, Kaiser's early fascination with motorcycles, cars, and aviation led him to study at the Ingenieurschule Bad Sulza, where he graduated as a mechanical and aircraft engineer in 1928. His subsequent work at Rohrbach Metall Flugzeugbau in Berlin, Junkers Flugzeugwerken in Dessau, and Werft in Warnemünde honed his engineering skills. Kaiser's first prototype, developed in Warnemünde in 1931, was a three-wheeled vehicle with a tandem seat and enclosed wheels. Powered by a 200 cubic centimeters motorcycle engine, it featured a motorcycle transmission and rear-wheel drive. The second prototype, built in Oschersleben in 1932, had side-by-side seating and motorcycle fenders on the front wheels. By 1934, Kaiser began series production of vehicles with side-by-side seats, incorporating various single-cylinder engines from Columbus, DKW, JAP, and NSU, eventually settling on DKW engines. The Kaiser Stromlinie was renowned for its streamlined design, resembling a small Zeppelin, and its innovative features. The bodies were crafted from wood and artificial leather, with optional motorcycle fenders and integrated or standalone lamps that illuminated curves. In 1936, the Type G model introduced a metal body with a slightly flattened front. The vehicles weighed between 265 and 285 kilograms, depending on the engine, and had a wheelbase of 250 centimeters and a track width of 160 centimeters. Kaiser's forward-thinking designs included the use of two engines that could be independently engaged or disengaged to save fuel in urban areas. The vehicles also featured rotating Bosch headlights that followed the road's curvature, a concept still marketed by modern automakers. The Kaiser Stromlinie boasted high average speeds with low fuel consumption, thanks to its streamlined body and low air resistance. Production of the Kaiser Stromlinie ceased in 1939 due to wartime demands, and the company shifted to military production. Kaiser later built his final four-wheeled automobile in Lehnen, equipped with two Ford Eiffel four-cylinder engines. This vehicle achieved speeds of approximately 130 kilometers per hour on the Autobahn. The Kaiser Stromlinie was largely forgotten until recently, when antique dealer Klaus Breitschuh discovered parts of a 1935 model in a basement in Ballenstedt. The vehicle was meticulously restored over 13 months by auto body specialist Andreas Marscheider and restorer Karl-Heinz Eiserth. The restored Kaiser Stromlinie made its public debut at the Deutsche Tourenwagen Meisterschaft in Oschersleben, showcasing its enduring engineering and design. Theodor Kaiser's innovative spirit and the Kaiser Stromlinie's advanced features have left a lasting impact on automotive history, highlighting the blend of aviation and automotive engineering that defined his work.